Welcome back to my YouTube channel, DEXY Pictures TV. If you're a new subscriber from my last video I just uploaded on how YouTube will start recommending my videos, please, you are highly welcome. This is how we always build. This is how our channel always works. Be so lively and so what? Engaging. Okay guys, now I will be teaching you guys on how you're going to add your end screen on every of your video upload. How you going to add your end screen and make YouTube to also recommend your video to the right audience. Okay, now I'll be leaving the screenshot on this screen so that you will going to watch it very well. Make sure you watch it to the beginning to the end. You watch it from the beginning to the end, so that you will practice. You'll be following me from the video how you're going to add your end screen. Okay guys, let's go on this. Because before we go on it, make sure you keep liking our video, make sure you are always engaging, and make sure you also do not forget to do subscribe. So guys, let's go video. You go to your Chrome app. Once you go to your Chrome app, you type studio dot youtube. Sorry guys, this studio.youtube.com. Now you can see it is already here because I always use it. Now once it opens, wait for it to open. Sorry guys. Okay, once it opens, now you click on this. What are you going to click? Listen, sorry guys, I'm trying to zoom it. You click on this three dot here. You click on this three dot here. Once you click on it, this three dots, once you click on it, it will bring you your dashboard, your content, your analytics, your comments, your subtitle, copyrights, in customization, and audio library. Now you're going to click on content. You click on content. Now once you click on content, you wait for it to open. Once you click on content, sorry guys, once you click on content, you wait for it to open. Sorry guys, you click on content, you wait for it to open. Once it opens, okay, now once it opens, now let's select one video. Now you just select on any video you want to add your end screen to. Okay, you select the video you want to add your end screen to. Now for example, let's go with this one, because this one that are here I've add an end screen to them. So let's go with this one. Now you click on the name of that video. You click on the name of the video. Once it's click it opens. Okay, now it has opened. Now once it's open like this, you shift it at the right hand side. Then you will see the end screen. Okay, this is the end screen. You see the end screen. When you click on the end screen, okay, let me zoom it in. When you click on the end screen, it will open. Now this is it. Okay, and this is the end screen editor. Now in this end screen, when you add an end screen to this particular any video of your choice, it is sending a good signal to the YouTube algorithm that this video has been added to end screen and need to be pushed out. Okay, now this is what you are going to do. Now in this end screen, it goes with five elements. It goes with five elements. What do you mean by five elements? You're going to add five videos to it at the end screen. Now we have video, we have playlist, we have subscribers, we have channel. Okay, now in case if you click the elements, click on any video you want. Now the YouTube has suggested the most recent upload, your most recent upload. Now you click it again. Okay, you click it again, click on the video again. Okay, now the YouTube has added the best for view for your viewers. Now you click it again. If you want to add a playlist to it, you add a word, a playlist. For example, let me add a playlist here. Now this, I'll add this playlist. Okay, now we'll go again for the fourth one. Okay, we click on the elements again. Now if you want to add subscribe to your end screen, you add what, subscribe. You click on subscribe, you see it, subscribe have been added. Now it's done. Okay, we are done with it. Now it is no more highlighted. Now you have to do what, you adjust the what, the end screen, how you want the video to appear. Okay, you don't have to jam pack it. You don't have to put them together. Just add it so that it can be easy for people to watch and also what, subscribe. Okay. Now once you are done arranging it, you now click on save. Okay. Now this is it. Once you click on save, okay, once you click on save, you can now what, go back and check your videos. Okay. Thank you, sir. So if you find this very educative, please do well to to subscribe for our next word video. Thank you.
Thank you for watching to the end of this video. I really appreciate you. Okay, guys, now I know that you are so happy to be part of our family. Okay, now make sure you are keep tuning on. Make sure you turn on your notification bell so that anytime we drop an amazing videos like this, guys, you'll be the first person that YouTube is going to recommend the video. Thank you so much for watching to the end of this video, and remain blessed. Make sure you keep on sharing our videos, recommending our videos to your friends, our channel, recommending them to your friends. Okay, guys, now have a nice day.